Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe. Children, in the last class, we have completed all the exercises of lesson 1 that is given in your computer book. Now, children, today we will solve all the question answers and activities of lesson 1. Okay, that is on page number 11. That is given in page number 11. So all of you open the page number 11. Okay, so in this first we will solve all the question answer. So your first question is, what is a computer? So children, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine that works with the help of data and instruction given by the users. Okay, it works on IPO cycle. Once again, computer is an electronic machine that works with the help of data and instructions given by the user. Okay, it works on IPO cycle. Got it, beta? Next. Now the next question is, how do you enter data and instructions into a computer? So children, how do you enter data and instruction into the computer? Input devices are used to enter data and instruction into a computer. So keyboard and mouse are commonly used input device. Okay? Keyboard and mouse are commonly used input devices. Now the next question is, what do you call the information which you enter into the computer? So the information which you enter into a computer is called a data. So what you write here? You can write here the information that we enter into a computer, that is called a data. Okay, the information which we enter into the computer is called data. Got it? Next, which part of computer shows the output? Yes, computer screen or monitor shows the output of a computer. And the last question, name the device which is known as brain of a computer. Which device is known as brain of computer? Yes, CPU. CPU is known as the brain of a computer. CPU, that means Central Processing Unit, is known as the brain of computer. Okay children? So children, here we completed all the question answer. Children, I have already provided you PDF file in your Addis app. So you can check the Addis app, and I have also provided PDF file in your WhatsApp group. Okay, I have already sent PDF file in your WhatsApp group. So you can check there beta and write all the question answer in your computer classwork copy. Beta, not only question answer, you can also write full form and guess who am I. So guess who am I and full form and question answer. These 3 questions you can write in your classwork copy, and all other exercise you can done in your computer textbook. Got it children? Okay, now come to the activity section. Okay, so your first activity is, write the input, processing and output for the following machines using the hints given below. In this, see children, here 4 columns are available. How many columns are available here? 4 columns are available. First one is machine, second one is input, third one is processing, and the fourth one is output. So in the machine column, some machines are given here, and in input, some inputs are here, and in processing, the machine can process this input that is given here. And what is the output? Some output is already written here, but some output you can guess and write here. Okay, so now first is telephone. The machine name is telephone. What is the input in this telephone? Dialing a number. Dialing a number, that is the input. Okay. Now next, processing, that means connecting the number. Processing, that means connecting the number that you dialed. Okay. Now what is the output after this? Yes, output is speaking to a friend. Okay. So you can write here speaking to a friend. Okay. Now next is juicer. Which machine is here? Juicer. Okay. Now input is carrot and orange. Okay. And the processing means churning and extracting juice. Okay. Churning and extracting juice, that is the processing. What is the output? Carrot and orange, that is input. Churning and extracting juice, that is the processing. And what is the output? The output is ready juice of carrot and orange. Okay. So you can write here ready juice of carrot and oranges. Okay. Now next is next one is food processor. Okay. Next is food processor. So what is the input in this food processor? Yes, big pieces of vegetable. In food processor we enter big pieces of vegetable. So you can write here big pieces of vegetable. Okay. Next, cutting the vegetable. Okay. Processing is cutting the vegetable. And output is chopped vegetable. So you can write here chopped vegetable. Okay. Next one is calculator. In this, numbers and operating symbols. Okay. Numbers and operating symbols, that means operators. Okay. That is plus, minus, arithmetic operators. Okay. So numbers and arithmetic operators, that is a input. Suppose you want to add two numbers, then you enter two numbers and then arithmetic operator. Okay. So now that is a input. Okay. So processing, that means calculation is being done. Okay. So you can write here calculation is being done. Now the output is calculated answer. That is already given here, calculated answer. Okay. So children, here we completed first activity. You can also do this activity in your computer textbook only. Okay. So you can do this in your computer textbook. Now children, come to the next activity. So for that you can turn the page, beta. Okay. The second activity is open WordPad by clicking on Start, All Program, Accessories and WordPad. Okay. So how you can open the WordPad? First you can on the computer. Okay. Then click on the Start button. Then if you clicking on the Start button, then there some program list is there, so you can click on all program option. Okay, after that some other options will be displayed on your screen, so on that you can click on the accessories, and after that you can choose the WordPad. After that the WordPad will be appear on your monitor screen. Okay, the WordPad windows is appear in your monitor screen. Okay, so in that beta, type the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the help of hints given in jumbled manner. Okay, so here some jumbled manner, hints are available, but that hints in given in jumbled manner. That hints is given in jumbled manner. Okay, so you can arrange these all jumbled letters and identify which letter is this. Okay, which word is this, identify this. You can arrange this all letters and identify the word. Okay, and then write here. So before writing on the computer, you can complete this all here. After that you can do this activity on the computer. Got it, beta? So children, if you have the computer, then you can do this activity on the computer, and if you don't have a computer, then don't worry beta, when the school is reopened, when we do this activity on the computer. But before that we will do here. Okay, so you can fill this all blank spaces. Okay, so first one is, the dash unit works like a traffic policeman. So children, which unit is work like a traffic policeman beta? See, some jumbled letters are here. You can arrange these all letter and write here. Yes, the answer is control units. Answer is control units. Control unit, that means CONTROL. Okay, answer is control unit works. You can write here CONTROL. Control unit works like a traffic policeman. Okay, now the next is, the output printed on a paper is called, yes, answer is hard. HARD, hard. You can write here hard. Next, a computer gives dash result all the times. Computer gives accurate result all the time. So you can write accurate, ACCURATE. Okay, accurate. You can write here. Okay, now next is, a computer works on dash cycle. A computer works on dash cycle. Answer is IPO cycle. Answer is IPO cycle. Okay, now the last is, the data and instructions given to the computer are called, yes, are called input. Okay, INPUT. So you can write here INPUT. Okay, so children, here we completed all the activity section also. Okay, so all the activity section we are completed here. Now you can do, okay, you can also do in your computer textbook. So here we completed the lesson 1.